for the women who are in the childbearing years, I think it's important for us to understand that when we're in America, the mother is a dominant figure in children's lives. In fact, most often children are, when they're born, it's assumed that they belong to the mother. And Ghana is different in the sense that when you give birth to children here, the children belong to the family and the community. And it is as a unit that you make decisions about the well-being of children. It's not just where the mother has the dominant decision-making ability. It's important because you can't give birth to a child with a Ghanaian man and think you can just hop on a plane and take it home, take it back to your home nation. And so I want you to listen to the video that follows so that you understand some of the things about the way that the law works here in terms of children.
One of the most misunderstood issues in Ghanaian family law is custody of children after divorce. Many people believe that children automatically go to the mother after divorce. The richer parent wins custody, and the father must always pay and has no rights. Legally, none of this statement is automatically true. Custody in Ghana is governed by the Children's Act 1998, Act 560, the Matrimonial Causes Act 1971, Act 367, and the 1992 Constitution, specifically under Article 28, which speaks to the right of a child. Section 2 of the Children's Act establishes the welfare principle. This means that in any matter concerning a child, the best interest of the child shall be paramount. So normally in cases of custody, the court does not ask who suffered more in the marriage, who cheated, or who was wrong in the marriage. What the court asks is what arrangement best protects the child's welfare. Custody is not always about the winner takes it all. However, the court may order sole custody where one parent has primary care and control. The court may also order joint custody where both parents share decision-making and responsibilities. The court may also order access. So even if one parent does not have custody, that parent usually has a legal right to access the child. Denying access without court order can create legal problems. Custody and maintenance are separate legal issues in Ghana. So under the Children's Act, both parents have a duty to maintain the child. So even if the father does not have custody, he still has a legal obligation to provide maintenance. Failure to do so may result in court enforcement. Ghana, the courts, clothed with the jurisdiction to determine custody matters, are the circuit courts and high courts. Someone may ask that what are the processes of custody? 1. A petition must be filed at the court. 2. Social welfare investigation must be conducted in some cases. 3. Evidence from both parties, the couples going their separate ways. 4. Court assessment of welfare factors. And 5. Final custody order. The court may also vary the order later if circumstances changes. Do you think Ghanaian courts really apply the welfare principle fairly? Comment below.
Do you know that the fact that you give birth to that child doesn't mean you have all the power to place the child where you want or remove the child from where the child lives? This is Time with Councillor Gifty on a discussion on unlawful removal of children. As usual, our topic is going to be interesting because it's a concern which needs to be addressed in order to keep the children safe. Do you know that the fact that you give birth to that child doesn't give you the right to remove the child from his or her original place of abode? Do you know that after that divorce, you don't have the right to place that child where you want the child to be or forcefully take the child from his original place? No. Check that out in the Children's Act 1998 at 560. It's against the law. Let it be done properly, else it affects the children's psychological being. For instance, mother and father are divorced. Mother has gone to marry. Father has gone to marry. The mother feels or the father feels that the other party is not taking good care of the child. So you forcefully go and remove that child, which is not psychologically good for these children. Please, it is against the law. For instance, a child lost both parents. Maternal and paternal families are now fighting over who should take the child. Paternal or maternal will forcefully rush to the homes of the other party to remove the child. Never, it's never done like that. It should be done right. You can apply it to Department of Social Welfare. They will have a way of handling it for you, or go to the family tribunal. There are procedures of handling that. Don't take the law or put the laws into your own hands. There are procedures. Avoid problem, because if you create the problem, it affects the child and affects yourself. Thank you all for watching me. You may change your home by sharing this video. Thank you.